Good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa MOA, Mountains of Antipolo. Nasa may Cloud9 na tayo. And mag-i-Infanta Loop tayo, aka Batman Loop. And yes, nasa Sumulong tayo right now. So reverse tong gagawin natin. Alright, let's go. If you didn't already know, Infanta Loop is also known as Batman Loop dahil dun sa shape nung route na mabubuo niya. Total distance of the loop is around 210 kilometers. Pero ang nagpapahirap talaga dito is yung elevation gain niya, which is around 3,500 plus meters. So first major climb, Sumulong Highway, tapos na. So on route na to Teresa. Merong 6 major climbs ang reverse Batman Loop. You have Sumulong, Pililla, Fami, Victory Peak, Sierra Madre Hotel, and lastly Boso-Boso. First time kong nag-Batman Loop last year, November 2024. I did the clockwise version. Una yung Boso-Boso, Sierra Madre, and so on. I'm assuming mas mahirap tong reverse since you need to climb Victory Peak from flat. So let's see what time ako makakabalik ng Masinag. Okay, nasa Baras na tayo, Baras Rizal. 32 kilometers in 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, Pililla Rizal na. Time is 6:12. Okay, aakyat na tayo ng Pililla, second major climb. Saging muna tayo. So it's my first time climbing Pililla, and I would say the climbs here is pretty mellow naman. Wala nang masyadong matarik. So supposedly, kita na dapat dito yung mga windmills, kaso sobrang foggy. Since first time kong umakyat ng Pililla, first time ko rin magde-descent ng mabitak. I think okay din tong lusong dito, except after 2 kilometers, bitak-bitak na yung kalsada. Kaya pala siya tinawag na mabitak. Okay, 8 o'clock AM. Currently nasa Fami Laguna, on the way na to Real, Quezon. So from here around 40 kilometers more or less. Anong oras kaya ako makakarating ng Infanta? Let's go! Vlogger daw ba ako? Okay, so nabutasan ako. Pero nag-seal naman agad. Ito so. Ni-roll ko na. Bawasan lang ng siguro mga 10 PSI kasi naka 70 ako kanina. Pero all good. Let's go. Resume. Dalas ko nang mabutasan dito sa GP 5000. Dapat yata magpalit na ako ng tires. Whew, okay. I think tapos na tayo sa mga climbs or siguro mayroon pang konti bago tayo dumating ng Real. Pre-pandemic days, madalas kaming pumunta ng Real to go surfing. And palagi kaming naiinip sa haba ng kalsada na to. Hindi na pa ako nag-enjoy sa downhill. Video muna tayo. Pag naman nakarating na kami sa part na to, mas nagiging excited na kami mag-surf since sobrang lapit na nito sa beach. Okay, so naka 100 na tayo. Recover muna. At yung next na is yung pinaka malala na ahon. Yung ahon to Victory Peak and Jariels. Let's go. Okay, umpisa na ng mga ahon. So 11:06. Tingnan natin kung abot tayo ng Jariels ng before 3. Sana umabot. Okay, second puncture. Tingnan natin mayroon. Okay. Yung kanina to nag-seal naman na ulit. So all good. Okay, ito na talaga yung tunay na climb. Let's check. 17.84 kilometers, 1,139 meters of elevation gain. Let's go. Init. Okay, at least may parts na shady, malilim. So, ayun. Sana makarecover yung heart rate pag medyo malilim. Tahi-tahi na lang. Puta. Hirap. Sobrang random. May dalawang foreigner out of nowhere. Mukhang Chinese. Mukhang nagsa-site survey sila or baka nag-i-spy, ewan. So that was the end of the climb to Victory Peak. Not my first time on that climb segment, pero this was 30 minutes slower compared to when I did Audax Antipolo. Hindi man siya PR, I'm still glad that I was able to conquer it without proper training, nutrition, and rain. And yes, malaking factor yung umuulan nung time of Audax Antipolo. Hindi mainit, so hindi mabilis tumaas yung heart rate mo. Okay, Jariel's Peak na. So I think palusong na to. Pero sa Garmin ko, may konting ahon pa rin. Hindi kita. But anyway, let's go. Tuloy pa rin. Wala na pala yung arko ng Infanta dito. Gini ba? Okay, last 3 climbs na tayo. Sierra Madre Hotel, Radar, tapos Boso Boso. Ubus na ako, pero sige, push lang kahit gabihin. Third to the last climb, Sierra Madre Hotel. Rekta na tayo, Radar. Okay, lapit na sa Radar. Isang lusong na lang. Tapos last climb. Kakatakot dito, walang ilaw. Sana tumagal yung battery ko. Okay, last climb na. Then home stretch na tayo. Ay. Pero sure ako tutukod pa ako dito. Pagod na eh. Pahinga din. Na-expect ko mga 6 na sa boso-boso na ako eh. Kaso wala. Daspag eh. Ngayon, mag-alas 7 na. Shit. Woo! Tapos na ang mga ahon. At least for the major climbs. So lusong na tayo pa uwi. Oh. Hirap nitong reverse Infanta loop or Batman loop. Grabe. I would say mas mahirap to kasi walang recovery yung ahon paakyat ng Victory Peak. Kung meron man sobrang konti. Tapos ang tatarik ng climb. Tapos mainit pa. Swerte ko na lang yata dahil nung nag-Odax Antipolo maulan nun. So malamig. Hindi gano'ng ramdam yung pagod. Alright, lusong na tayo pa Antipolo proper. Ilang beses ko rin naisip na hindi natapusin yung ride dahil sobrang hirap niya. To think na abutan na ako ng dilim on my way to Boso Boso is very demotivating. But then again, matatapos din naman yung ride. You just need to think positive, suck it up, and take one pedal stroke at a time. And with that, I finished the ride with a total elapsed time of 15 hours 40 minutes. Will I do it again? Maybe, but hopefully with friends, no? Hindi na solo. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Try nyo rin tong Batman loop, whether the regular loop or the reverse route. Thanks for watching. Till next ride.